Hello audience, today I bring you a battle between Roxurapha and Flamepixis. Let's begin! On 3, 2, 1, boom! I believe we have a winner. Okay, we have a winner. Roxurapha. Next round starts now. Okay. Pixis lost that last round. Let's see if we can recover this round. Ooh, 6 minutes. Oh, he's already out of control. Oh! Oh! An amazing comeback. How is that possible? He has done it again. Wow, that was amazing. It's next video. Well, it's 1-1. Who will win the final round? This might be some big hits. Roxurapha circles around. Still circling around, waiting for the right moment. Boom, another hit. This could be a stamina battle. Let's see who wins it. Oh, and he's taken down. Oh, looks like we have an official winner. Yep. Thanks for watching. Bye.